Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. What took you so long? So today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a demo of the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm so excited. Really love it. I'm trying to try new designs and colors. So let's get right into it. On my lids, I'm right here beside my makeup drawer because I want you all to be able to follow along and purchase products if you like to. So on my lids, I am using concealer in the shade Hazelnut by Blackpink. It is a beauty supply brand concealer, so very inexpensive, something you could pick right up in your store. And I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and blend that out, as you can see, and give y'all my Morphe palette dance. Let's take a minute to appreciate these curls though. Oh honey, my hair is growing so fast, y'all. I'm coming to y'all with an update soon. So right there, you can see which colors I chose. I didn't really have anything in mind. This is really a freestyle look. I like to do freestyle looks because it kind of challenges me to try new stuff and just perfect my craft. Like, I haven't been doing makeup in a long time, y'all, so this wasn't hard. But I was like, all right, where you going with this? Where are you going with it? Especially when I was coming in and cutting that crease, which you'll see in a minute. So I'm going in my lid and I'm blending it out really good. This is going to be my base color. Just going to get that going. And you're going to see me even it out with that light brush just to like remove any harsh lines. Then I'm gonna go in with the deeper, like pinkish blush type thing, and I'm gonna define my crease even more. So I'm just gonna go heavy on that, back and forth, just sweeping my brush to get that crease going, that darker shade going. Now I'm gonna go back in a minute with that same concealer. I'm gonna go back in and begin to carve out my crease. And for this particular look, I did try to do like a double crease because I mean it's something I've always wanted to try, and I mean we quarantining, what else can you do except, you know, just perfect your crafts and spend time with the Lord or something. I don't know. So that's what I'm going to be doing on each eye. I am just taking my time. Of course, this is sped up, but I'm taking my time, trying to get the right definition, the right look, questioning myself, like, should I have chosen this blue? Yes, no. So about this palette, I really love it, y'all. I've been using it for a little over a month now, and it's very pigmented. I just like the whole look of it. Like, I'm enjoying this palette. So it's not too much I'm gonna do. You're gonna see me going through the same process on both eyes. Like, I am really, today in this look, I'm really trying to do a really good job of packing that product on there and getting the look and the feel that I want. Like, I want this to be bomb. I want you to see my eyes and be like, oh, okay, I like that. Yes. So after playing with it for a while and just, you know, packing on that product, I'm very, you know, satisfied with the blue, and now I can move on with my second part of my crease. Look at those brows popping out. So I don't know if I told you all in a previous video or not, but recently when I've been doing my eyebrows, I'm not concealing the top of them because I feel like it gives off a more natural look, more clean look, and I mean, it's just bomb. And it takes up less product, and you don't have that the fake halo going on. Now, I only suggest that if you have recently done your brows or you plan on getting them done, because I mean, if it's not clean, you won't get that clean look. Now, okay, so for my lids, I chose kind of like a holographic purple type of color directly on top of the lids, and you can see me packing that on. And sometimes your finger is the best applicator, y'all. I started off with a brush, but it didn't quite work for me. And in my corners, I have like a darker smoky eye. And honestly, I am using, I'm going back and cleaning off like the same brush with my purples. And I'm using loose brushes for this, so I can really manipulate the product and get it where I need it to be. So I'm putting on my lashes. Shout out to Hermosa. Those are Hermosa lashes. I probably put in the description bar down below which style this is for my Arkansas ladies. And now I'm getting ready to go into my face because I'm done with my eyes. I'm really satisfied. It turned out really pretty. I was down it. I need a name for this. Comment down below what I should name this makeup look. So I'm going in first with another concealer. This is Beautiful Bronze by Ruby Kisses, and I'm going in with my foundation brush again. And as you can see, the reason I don't wear foundation anymore, because look how well that concealer blended into my skin. Like, less is really more. But for this look, we're gonna go all out. So before I start applying my makeup, my foundation, I went over my face with a setting powder. It just keeps me less oily. This is Wet n Wild's Photo Finish. No. Wet n Wild's Photo Focus loose setting powder in the shade Deep Profound. So 522B by Wet n Wild. And then I'm going right back in immediately after with Black Radiance Oil-Free Liquid Makeup in the shade Clove. And Black Radiance is one of my favorite like low-end foundations. Like, it really is radiant, y'all. And look how it melted into my skin. It was beautiful. So then after I'm going in with that, I am going to come back in with that first concealer that I used on my eyebrows in the shade Hazelnut, and I'm going to get my highlight going. It's going to give me some definition in my face. Now, if y'all wanted to stop at just the foundation, for those of you who are not into a lot of makeup, you really could have. But me, I like for you to see my cheekbones. I like for you to see all the areas that the light is going to hit my face. I want to give you face, you know, angles. We're going to cut and sculpt this face and put those dimensions back in there. So after I've concealed, I'm gonna go back in with a setting powder that is pretty much my complexion. Now this is a Ruby Kisses contour palette that I've used around my face, so it didn't really have colors. I just used the darkest two browns and went over my face with that. And then the two lighter colors, this is what I set my under eyes with. Then I went back under my eyes and I kind of lined them with like a pink for a bottom look, give it some more definition. And then in my waterline, I added some black. And I am using one of the golds from the James Charles palette because I'm out of highlighter right now, and it works beautifully as a highlighter. For my lips, y'all know I like to keep it neutral. I love a good lippie, honey. So I'm using my brown, just a regular brown eyebrow pencil from the beauty supply store, and Ruby Kisses Triple Butter Matte Lip Cream in the shade. What shade is this, y'all? Oh, did y'all hear my stomach? I'm hungry. I'm not sure what shade this is, but it's a nude pink, a matte pink. And that was pretty much it for this look. Any other stuff, well, any other specifics, I'll leave down below in the description bar. Shout out to my sister for these earrings. that's all. I really love this look, y'all. I love creating it. It was pretty fun. When you see me jumping up in that video, y'all, it was a wasp, and I was so scared. I'm allergic to them terribly. Like, when they sting me, it burns. So that's what happened. So thank you all so much for watching. If you really like this look, leave a heart down below. And I will be right back with you all soon with another video. Love y'all. Peace and blessings.